20 colloquial English phrases for everyday use with a quiz. Welcome to our new video. We are going to learn 20 colloquial English phrases that you can use right away in everyday conversations. Let's start. What's going on? Used to ask what is happening. Hey, what's going on? You look upset. Hang on. Wait a moment. Hang on. I'll just grab my keys and we'll be off. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry about it. No worries. I can handle it. I'm beat. I'm very tired. It's been a long day. I'm beat. That's cool. That's very good. You got the job. That's cool. No big deal. It's not important. Sorry, I'm late. Hey, no big deal. I'm in. I want to join or participate. Movie tonight. I'm in. I'm out. I don't want to join or participate. A hike? Sorry. I'm out. Trekking isn't my thing. My bad. My mistake. Oops. My bad. I thought you were someone else. You bet. Definitely, of course. Can you help me? You bet. Chill out. Relax or calm down. Chill out. Everything's fine. Give me a break. Expression of disbelief. Another meeting? Oh, give me a break. I'm down. Excited to do something. Pizza for dinner? I'm down. Hit me up. Contact me. Hit me up if you need anything. I'm on it. I'll do it right away. Can you send the email? I'm on it. No way. Expression of surprise. You won the lottery. No way. For real? Are you serious? You're moving to Paris? For real? It's up to you. The decision is yours. Where should we eat? It's up to you. I'm starving. I'm very hungry. Let's eat. I'm starving. Long time no see. Haven't seen you for some time. Long time no see. How have you been? Let's now take a short quiz. Please match the words. Now, match the phrases with their definitions. Great. Thank you very much for learning with us. See you in our next video.